In a tragic turn of events, a 35-year-old woman from southeastern Minnesota finds herself entangled in a web of legal ramifications stemming from a fatal Amish buggy crash. Sarah Peterson, facing a daunting array of 16 felony charges including criminal vehicular homicide, criminal vehicular operation, and aiding an offender, now confronts the grim reality of her alleged involvement in trying to shield her identical twin sister from culpability. This somber saga took a darker turn when earlier this week, Sarah's sister, Samantha Peterson, was slapped with 21 felony charges, ranging from criminal vehicular homicide and operation to driving under the influence, failure to provide proof of insurance, careless driving, and speeding. Samantha, purportedly under the influence of methamphetamine, was at the wheel when the tragic collision with the Amish buggy occurred on September 25, resulting in the deaths of 2 children. Wilma Miller, 7, and her sister Irma Miller, 11, died on the scene. Their 1-year-old brother and 13-year-old sister were rushed to the hospital with serious injuries. Addressing the complexity of the case, Fillmore County Sheriff John DeGeorge expressed how the identical nature of the twins added layers of intricacy to the investigation. As the days unfolded, inconsistencies emerged in both sisters' narratives and the evidence uncovered by deputies, DeGeorge stated during a press conference. Through meticulous scrutiny, it was ultimately revealed that Samantha Peterson, Sarah's twin sister, was the one operating the vehicle at the time of the crash. The unraveling of this grim truth was aided by various means, including the revelation of a damning text message sent by Samantha on Sept. 25, wherein she admitted her culpability and detailed her scheme to manipulate Sarah into taking the blame. Sarah was on scene just before our first deputy arrived, allowing them to concoct a narrative where she would shoulder the responsibility and divert the investigation, DeGeorge explained. However, piecing together this intricate puzzle demanded time-consuming efforts, including the procurement of search warrants for the sisters' phones and the thorough analysis of cell phone data and crash reconstruction reports. These endeavors, according to DeGeorge, contributed to the delay in filing charges. Both sisters carry a history of run-ins with the law. Samantha's past includes convictions for 4th and 3rd-degree dui, while Sarah's criminal record involves a conviction for conspiracy to distribute a controlled substance in 2022, for which she is currently on parole. While the severity of Samantha's charges surpasses her sister's, with each count carrying a maximum sentence of 10 years in prison, Sarah faces a maximum of 5 years for her criminal vehicular homicide charges. Despite the gravity of the charges, neither sister has yet been taken into custody, as the court has not deemed it necessary to issue arrest warrants. Instead, they will be summoned to answer for their alleged crimes.